Hello everyone, welcome to the world of artificial intelligence AI, where the demand for skilled AI engineers is skyrocketing as industries like healthcare, finance, and technology are rapidly transformed by AI. But what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. This includes things like learning from experience, like machine learning, understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and even making decisions. AI is the science of creating smart machines that can think and learn like humans, and it's at the forefront of technology innovation. Companies such as Google, Amazon, and Microsoft and many more big giants are constantly seeking professionals who can leverage AI to drive innovation and make significant impact. However, in this competitive field, having the right skills is not enough. You need the right certification and guidance to truly stand out. The future is incredibly promising for those interested in artificial intelligence careers. With AI sector projected to reach a staggering USD $17 billion by 2027 and expected annually growth rates between 25% to 35% from 2024 to 2027. The opportunities in this field are expanding rapidly. This is fantastic news for anyone looking to break into or advance in the world of AI. In addition to the booming of market, the demand for AI professionals in all over the world is set to grow by 15% each year until 2027. The rise of AI, fueled by innovation like ChatGPT and other generative technologies, has created an array of new job opportunities. But what exactly are these jobs and how can you secure one? So this video will help you understand the steps needed to succeed in the AI industry. Whether you are just starting out or looking to advance your career, this video is designed to help you succeed in the ever-growing world of AI.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
But before we start, if you want to learn AI and ML from the industry expert, try Simplilearn's postgraduate program in AI and machine learning from Purdue University in collaboration with IBM. This course teaches in-demand skills such as machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, reinforcement learning, generative AI, prompt engineering, ChatGPT, and many more. So don't forget to check out the course link from the description box below and the pinned comment. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's see steps to get an AI engineer job. So to thrive in this field, developing a comprehensive skill set is crucial, while encompasses many specialized areas. So here are some certain core skills that are essential across most roles. So here is you can build these skills. First one is technical skills. So AI roles heavily rely on technical expertise, particularly in programming, data handling, or working with AI specific tools, or you can say the cloud specific tools. So here are some key areas to focus on. The first one is the programming languages. So proficiency in general purpose programming language like Python and R is the fundamental. Python in particular is widely used in AI for simplicity and robust libraries such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, which are crucial for machine learning and deep learning tasks. The second one is database management. So understanding how to manage and manipulate large datasets is essential in AI. Familiarity with database management systems like Apache Cassandra, Couchbase, and DynamoDB will allow you to store, retrieve, and process data efficiently. The third one, data analysis and statistics. Strong skills in data analysis are must. Tools like MATLAB, Excel, and Pandas are invaluable for statistical analysis, data manipulation, and visualization of trends in data, which are critical for developing AI models. The fourth one, cloud AI platform. Knowing of cloud-based AI platforms such as Microsoft Azure AI, Google Cloud AI, and IBM Watson is increasingly important. So these platforms provide pre-built models, tools, and infrastructure that can accelerate AI development and deployment. The second one is industry knowledge. While technical skills form the backbone of your AI expertise, understanding the industry context is equally important. For example, knowing how AI integrates with digital marketing goals and strategies can be a significant advantage if you are working in or targeting industries like e-commerce or advertising. So industry-specific knowledge allows you to apply AI solutions more effectively and communicate their value to stakeholders. The third one, workplace or soft skills. In addition to technical, industry-specific skills, developing workplace skills or you can say soft skill is essential for success in AI roles. or any roles. So these soft skills often honed through experience include the first one is communication. Clearly articulating complex AI concept to non-technical stakeholders is crucial. Whether you are explaining how machine learning model works or presenting data-driven insight, effective communication ensure that your work is understood and valued. Second one is collaboration. AI projects often require teamwork across diverse fields, including data science, software development, and other things. The third one is analytical thinking. AI is fundamentally about problem solving. You will need strong analytical thinking skills to approach challenges logically, break them down into manageable parts, and develop innovative solutions. The fourth one, problem solving. AI projects frequently involve unexpected challenges, whether it's a technical bug or an unforeseen data issue. Strong problem solving will help you navigate these hurdles and keep projects on track. So building these skills can be achieved through various methods, including self-study, online courses, boot camps, or formal education. Additionally, working on real projects, contributing to open source AI initiatives, and seeking mentorship can provide practical experience and further enhance your expertise. So next thing is learn advanced topics. So as you advance in your machine learning journey, it is important to delve into more advanced topics. These areas will deepen your understanding and help you tackle complex problems. So some key topics to focus are, the first one is deep learning and neural network. The second thing is ensemble learning techniques. The third thing is generative models and adversarial learning. The fourth one is recommendation system and collaborative filtering. The fifth one is time series analysis and forecasting. So now let's move forward and see some machine learning projects. So working on real world projects to apply your knowledge, focus on data collection and preparation, capstone project in image recognition and NLP, predictive modeling and anomaly detection, practical experience, key to solidifying your skills. So now let's move forward and see what is the next skill. That is earn a certification. So if you are already hold an undergraduate degree in a field of related to AI, enrolling in a specialized course to enhance your technical skills can be highly beneficial. Even if you don't have a degree, earning certification can show potential employers that you are committed to your career goals and actively investing in your professional development. So you can unleash your career potential with our artificial intelligence and machine learning courses, tailored for diverse industries and roles at top global firms. Our program features key tools, enhance your AI knowledge and business acumen, join the job market, and become sought after professional. The next thing is continuous learning and exploration. So stay updated with the latest development by following industry leaders, engaging in online communities, and working on personal projects. Pursue advanced learning through courses and certification to keep your skills sharp. So now let's move forward and see some AI career opportunities with salary. So the job market for machine learning professionals is booming. The average annual salary for AI engineers can vary based on location, experience, and company. So here are some roles like machine learning engineer, data scientist, NLP engineer, computer vision, and AI ML researcher. So now let's see how much they earn. So the first one is ML engineer. So machine learning engineers earn $153,000 in US and 11 lakh in India per annum. The second one is data scientist. The data scientists earn $150,000 in US and 12 lakh per annum in India. The third one is NLP engineer. They earn $107,000 in US and 7 lakh in India per annum. Fourth one is computer vision engineer, CV engineer. They earn around $126,000 in US and 6,50,000 in India. The last one is AI ML researcher. They earn $130,000 in US and in India they earn around 9 lakh per annum. So note that these figures can vary on website to website and changes frequently. So now last step is start applying for entry-level jobs. When you feel confident in your training, begin researching and applying for jobs. Many entry-level AI positions like software engineer or developer roles are often labeled as entry-level or junior in the job description. Jobs that require less than 3 years of experience are usually suitable for those just starting out. If you need additional support in your job research, consider applying for internship, taking on freelance projects, or participating in hackathons to further hone your skills. So these opportunities not only provide valuable feedback on your work, but also help you build connections that could benefit your career in the future. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. If you have any question or doubt, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Our team of experts will help you as soon as possible. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.